The map is a bit dull on its own, so I'm going to bring in a couple more visuals that will work with it. The first one we're going to use is a slicer. So if I just select that, and what I'll do, I'll move it up here. So this is going to provide a filter mechanism by district and by ward. This is really simple to use. First, add in the district, and then add in the ward. And then you can see here, if I select the first one, which is Elmbridge District, I can expand that, and then you can see all the wards within Elmbridge. So if I was to select Claygate, there's only one crime in Claygate. I hold down Control. There you go. I've got two. Select a few more. So you can see that filtering is occurring. And then if I come up and select the whole district, we are now just showing the street crimes for Elmbridge. And if I was to unselect that, then we should return to the Surrey-wide dataset. So you could apply another slicer. Let's do one on crime type. I'll bring that over just below. So just bring in crime type this time. And now I can select just burglary, and we can see the burglaries for that month in Surrey.